The magician closes his empty hand and a coin appears. The magician visually changes the coin. Thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. The magician takes the coin and it disappears from both hands. The coin visually changes twice. The magician shows both hands empty. He then produces a coin from nowhere. Everything can be examined. Take a coin and clip it between your thumb and first finger. Make sure your hand is at an angle and then use it to brush your other hand. This creates the deceptive illusion both hands are empty. Then allow the coin to fall from its clip position to your fingers and produce it. This creates the deceptive illusion that you just produced a coin from nowhere. The magician shows his hand. He reaches into the air and squeezes. A coin is now in his hand. This trick requires one coin. Place the coin between your thumb and palm. From the correct angle, it looks as if nothing is there. When you squeeze your hand, let the coin fall onto your palm. It will look as if it has been produced from nowhere. The magician displays a coin in his open hand, and it suddenly changes to a different coin. This trick requires two coins. One coin has to be smaller than the other. Place the smaller coin behind the bigger coin as shown, and hold these in between your hands. What you're then going to do is called the snap change. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the coin. This will cause it to flick behind the other coin into your hand. As this happens, it looks as if the coin is changing. Simply perform this move under the cover of your other hand in whatever way you like. Extend your middle finger slightly, pull back on the coin, and it will reveal the smaller coin. The magician takes a coin in his hand. It disappears from both hands. Take a coin and hold it between your thumb and middle finger. Practice coming over with your other hand and taking the coin. The secret to this effect is taking the coin in the spider grip. Curl the coin around your ring finger and you pretend to take it. If your hand is parallel with the spectator's eye line, then they will not see the coin. It will look as if the coin has completely vanished. The magician visually changes the coin. This trick requires two coins. One coin has to be bigger than the other. Place the smaller coin behind the bigger coin. You then need to practice flicking the coin backwards into your palm. Hold the coin between your first finger, middle finger, and thumb. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the coin in a snapping motion. This will create the illusion that the coins have changed. Now do this simply as you move your hand upwards. Let the bigger coin fall back onto the palm of your hand. Before we continue, a quick word from Surfshark. Surfshark VPN is incredible value. Listen to this, you pay just £1.69 a month and they block adverts, trackers, malware, phishing attempts and encrypt all internet traffic, taking your internet privacy to the next level. The truth is, we all spend so much time online now, and the internet knows a lot about us, which is why we should care about our online data. You probably already know that VPNs protect what you do online, but Surfshark takes this to the next level. The VPN itself has the ability to automatically block adverts, which helps load pages faster and uses less of your data. It also has access to 15 different Netflix libraries from around the world, so when I can't find a TV series or movie in the UK, I can switch to a different movie library and find it there. The app is really simple to use. After downloading it, you're only a few taps away from hiding your location and protecting your privacy. So check the top link in the description and use the code OSCAR to get an 83% discount and an extra month for free. The magician takes a coin, waves his hand over it, and it changes. He then changes it again. Take 2 coins. Keep one coin in the mid part of your fingers in a finger palm. Hold the other coin between your thumb and middle finger. Come over with your other hand and clip the second coin between your thumb and first finger. Then simply deposit the coin in finger palm in your other hand. It will look as if the coin has changed. Allow the clipped coin to fall into finger palm in your hand. To do the second change, drop the coin in your hand and then replace it with the other coin. This is very easy to do. It will look as if the coin has changed back. The coin visually changes. This is a fun little trick that I created that requires 2 coins. One coin has to be smaller than the other. Place the small coin behind the bigger one, and then hold them both between your thumb and middle finger. Your index finger needs to be resting against the smaller coin as shown. Your index finger will then push the smaller coin upwards, and your thumb will release the bigger coin at the same time. The bigger coin will then fall into your hand, whilst the smaller coin flicks up into view. This is a knacky move that requires some practice.